A quick tip: if you have one of these 600 milliwatt VTX and you don't want the SMA to break off, mine's broken off twice now in the last week, and I'm fed up with it breaking off. So I put flux on the metal case itself, and I grounded the SMA to the case now, and soldered it to the case, because this SMA there, cat. This SMA, you're in the light, dude. It's touching the metal case anyways when it's just sitting inside this case, so to solder it doesn't change its electronic properties. There is a missing piece of heatsink here, and I have solder joining the case, so it's taking the heat off of the transmitter to that case there. But this should be a lot stronger. This is not able to bend now. And the center pin will usually remain intact. When you break this, it'll snap off this way and break both those grounds usually. But in this case, with the cat in the way, get going. That's why my desk is so messy. In this case, it wasn't broken, so I was able to just ground those to the case, adding extra structure to it, as you can see. So there's a little bit of a reinforcement tip. You could put glue in there, but it would make it messy if you had to repair it. And I can take that solder off, no problem, and remove the transmitter. It's quite a good transmitter, actually. It's a ts58500, and it has dip switches, which isn't that great, but it does perform really, really well. I got out almost 300 yards today without any problems. It was really clear. And we'll do some super long distance checks with it later, but just checking the repairs I'd made, it worked just as well as any time it worked before when it wasn't broken, so it's fixed.